Hatha Yogi Yoga and Naturopathy Clinic. Drugless cure for all diseases. Just 5 kilometers from Chennai Airport. For appointment call 730-544-5730.
Hello everyone, this is Gomathi Shankar. In this video we are going to see Banknifty review for the month of September. Many people ask me, I am a positional trader, how should I trade with the help of CPR, especially using monthly CPR? So this is Banknifty September month daily chart with monthly CPR. As soon as you see that particular day is going to close above monthly CPR, you have to take a long position with stop loss below monthly CPR. For example, look at the 1st of September. The candle is clearly going to close above monthly CPR. So this is where you take a long position. And moreover, for past couple of months, Bank Nifty has been bullish. And this particular month, September, 1st of September, the candles are closing above monthly CPR. Without any second thought, you can go for a long position with stop loss below monthly CPR. And you are going to target monthly R1 as your first target, and your second target would be monthly R2. Even you can consider R1, R2 50%, and here your target is done. Now again, few people will ask me, sir, can I take a short if the monthly CPR is broken on the downside? Yes, of course you can take a short, but when you are taking a short position below monthly CPR, again your target is going to be S1, and then you are going to focus on S2. Even you can focus on S1, S2 50%. Now few people will ask me, no, I will not have the patience to hold on to my position for more than a week. So in that case, if you are a person who should book the profit on that particular week itself, then you can focus on hourly chart with weekly CPR. Now let's look at the swing trading opportunities we got from the 1st of September. Now here, let's look at the first week. Now on the first week of September, what happened? The candles were sustaining above daily CPR. But remember, we are going to take a long position only when the candle is taking a support at the weekly CPR. Or we are going to take a long position when the candles are breaking weekly R1 and previous week high. So you can take a long position in this candle with stop loss below weekly CPR, and your target will be R1, and then your second target will be R2, and even you can consider R1, R2 50% for booking your profits. Now again, when the market is breaking R1, you can take a long position. In case you have missed a long position here, you can take a long position at this location when previous week high and R1 is broken. As soon as the hourly candle closes above R1, you are going to take a long, and your target is going to be R2, and almost your target is reached on the next day itself. Now similarly, if you look at the second week, the candle is taking support at the weekly CPR and it is closing on a positive note. So as soon as the candle closes, you are going to take a long position. Your target is going to be R1. Your second target is going to be R2. Even you can exit at R1, R2 50%. Now in case if you have missed a long position in this bull candle and you are getting an opportunity to enter at the second candle, again if you have missed your entry at the second candle, you can enter at the third candle. Anyways, your target is going to be R2 only. Now when you are taking a trade at the second candle or in the third candle, you can use the candle itself as your stop loss. You can use the low of that candle as your stop loss, or even you can use that candle's 50% of the body size as your stop loss. Let's say for example, you are entering in this third candle, you can use that candle body's 50% as your stop loss. All right, so that's purely technical stuff. It depends on your experience. Now let's look at the third week. On third week, once again we are getting a long opportunity as soon as the candle closes above weekly CPR. Our stop loss is going to be below weekly CPR and our target is going to be R1 and previous week high, and our first target is hit. Now here is the most important trade. The candles are closing below weekly CPR. Now can I take a short position? Yes, of course you can take a short position, and your first target will be S1, your second target will be S2, and even you exit at the S1, S2 50%. Now in case you have missed your entry at the weekly CPR, you can re-enter when S1 and previous week low is broken, and you can exit at S2. Now again on the final week, what happened? The candles are breaking S1 and previous week low. So this is a good opportunity. In the first candle itself, you are going to take a short. Your target is going to be S2. Alright. Even if you want, you can exit at S1, S2 50%. Now when S2 is broken, again you can take a short position. S2 is getting broken, you are going to take a short. Your stop loss is going to be S1, S2 50%. So this is going to be a stop loss, and this is going to be a target. Now in this trade, you would have lost your money. So overall, if you consider the 4 weeks, we are on a profitable note because CPR works best. Now let's say I am a scalper, I am an intraday trader, so I want to trade every day. Swing trading doesn't suit my lifestyle. So what I will do, I will use daily CPR, I will use 5 minutes chart, and I will try to take position. Now when you are taking a position purely based on 5 minutes chart and daily CPR, we have to take weekly as well as monthly CPR also into consideration. I will give you a very good example. Now this is monthly CPR with daily chart. The candle started to reverse after reaching monthly R1 and R2 levels. Now exactly when Banknifty reversed from monthly R1 and R2 zones, you can clearly see on the weekly CPR is getting broken. Now on this week, the candles did not break weekly CPR, but this particular week, the candles are breaking weekly CPR. So what this tells is, the candles are breaking weekly CPR, so there are higher chances Banknifty may take support at monthly CPR. I hope you all remember our reversal trick. Whenever the market is reversing from R1, R2 levels, our target is going to be CPR. Similarly, whenever the market reverses from the downside, S1 or S2, our target is going to be CPR. Now same way here, Banknifty is reversing from R1 and R2, our target is going to be monthly CPR. So when weekly CPR is broken on these days, you are going to take a short assuming that the candle is going to touch monthly CPR. So monthly CPR will be your target. All right, but you can exit but we are exiting at S1, S2. That is not at all an issue. But we have to remember, it should be in our thought, monthly CPR is going to be the next support. Now here the candles are below weekly CPR as well as the candles are below monthly CPR. So that is also a good opportunity for taking a short position. And think about intraday trades. For intraday trading, that will be a very nice opportunity for doing a quick scalping. Whenever the monthly CPR is getting broken, now when the candles are coming below daily CPR, that will be a good opportunity for me to take a short, because though the candles are inside monthly CPR, remember the candle is already below weekly CPR, and now the candle is coming below daily CPR. So below weekly CPR, below daily CPR, though the candle is inside monthly, this daily CPR and weekly CPR will help the candle to fall further. So the candles will come out of the monthly CPR zones. Alright, so this is the area when the candle is coming out of daily CPR, that is where you take a short for a quick scalping. Alright, now here we are not going to take a long, here we are not going to take a long either, but we will look for short opportunities. Maybe when the S1 and previous day low is getting broken, we will look for short opportunity, and here our stop loss is hit. Though our stop loss is hit on that particular day, next days we are getting a good opportunity. Now here the candles are coming below daily CPR, so again I am going for a short for a quick scalping till previous day low, and here the candles are coming out of daily CPR. Now when the candles are coming out of daily CPR, I will be targeting monthly CPR as my target, as well as weekly CPR also will be my target. Now this zone is monthly CPR. If the candle comes out of monthly CPR, then my next target will be weekly CPR. So this is weekly CPR. Let me give a yellow color shade. So this is weekly CPR, alright. So when the candles are coming above daily CPR, which CPR is nearby, that becomes a target. Now in this case, monthly CPR is nearby, so that becomes my target. And when the monthly CPR is broken on the upside, now weekly CPR becomes my target. Alright, so this is how we do scalping. Now, when I am taking a long position here, when the candles are coming out of daily CPR, I have to trade with less quantities. I have to trade with less quantities and I have to exit as soon as possible because the candles are below monthly and weekly CPR. Only because of the candles coming out of daily CPR, I am taking a position. So I have to be very quick in exiting my position. Same way, when R1 and previous day high is getting broken in these areas, can I take a long position or not? Yes, I can take a long position, but sometimes the candles can touch monthly CPR and then it can come down. So I have to exit soon. Alright, so whenever the candles are below weekly CPR, below monthly CPR, or inside weekly CPR or inside monthly CPR, and you are going to do a very quick scalping based on 5 minutes chart and daily CPR. So this is where you have to be a very quick scalper. You have to get whatever the Banknifty gives to you and you have to exit. Now let's see how the trend is going to be in Banknifty for the month of October. Now if you observe Banknifty in monthly chart, let me start from monthly chart. I can clearly see this is the resistance, nearest resistance, and this is the nearest support. So now Banknifty monthly time frame is clearly stuck inside a range. Now let me come down to weekly chart, and in weekly chart also it is very clearly visible that Banknifty has traveled from this support till this resistance, and again it has taken a couple of supports here, and now again it is facing a resistance over here. So Banknifty is clearly traveling inside this particular zone. Alright. Now as per daily chart, I can clearly understand that there is a fresh swing level. So this is a fresh swing low. Now if Banknifty is breaking this swing low, then we can go for a short position. Alright. And our target will be this swing low. This swing low is going to be a target, but anyways we can divide these two levels itself into 50% and you can draw another lines. In case if Banknifty closes below this swing low, then our target will be 50% and then our next target will be 100% level. Alright. Now even if you want, you can consider a 25% level for short term, for doing positional trading for that current week. Alright, so this is the trend in Banknifty. Now Banknifty may play inside this range. If this level is broken, I'm going for a long. If this level is broken, I'm going for a short. Inside this level, I have to do a scalping. Market will go up, market will come down, and I have to focus on scalpings only. Alright. So this is what we see in Banknifty, and for the upcoming month, what we can observe from the CPR is, now this is October month CPR levels. What we are seeing is October month CPR level. So for the current month, for October, we are having a ascending CPR. But already the candles are below monthly CPR only for the month of October. So in case if Banknifty opens below monthly CPR or inside monthly CPR, it is going to be tough for the bulls. Let's say if Banknifty opens here taking resistance, or if Banknifty opens inside, and if Banknifty struggles to goes above this monthly CPR, then we can expect bulls to get weak further. If Banknifty is not going up above monthly CPR, there is a fall upcoming we can expect. Alright, because here monthly CPR is there, by looking at the structure of Bank Nifty, we can understand that maybe a pullback can happen and maybe a fall can happen. Okay, now that is what happened here. Bank Nifty came here, it came for a pullback and then it went up. All right, so same way, Bank Nifty has fallen, it may go for a pullback towards monthly CPR and then it can fall. Chances are there. So if Bank Nifty should not fall, even I don't like bearish market, I don't want the market to fall. So if Bank Nifty should not fall, it should close above monthly CPR. I want a daily candle close above monthly CPR and I want couple of candles to sustain above monthly CPR. Only then we can trust bulls have taken some control. So that's it guys. I hope you all liked my Bank Nifty review as well as the upcoming month analysis. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment section and I will be happy to answer all your queries. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Bye.